Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2019 Land Rover Range Rover Sport. This SUV came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the SUV to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches at all. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to have a look at the driver's side doors. The front and back door look perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents on them at all. Let's take a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect. No scratches, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the SUV. The trunk is in excellent condition. There are no scratches on it at all, and the back bumper looks perfect as well. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition. There are no scratches, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger side doors. The front and back door here look perfect. I'm not seeing a scratch here at all. Now we're going to have a look at the last fender and wheel. And this fender is in excellent condition. There are no scratches, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. We're going to start off with the driver's seat. The seat looks perfect. Let's take a look at the door panel. Okay, I'm not seeing any wear and tear there at all. Let's move on to the back seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. All right, that seat looks very good. Let's have a look at the door panel. And the door panel is in excellent condition as well. Let's take a look at the back seat. And back here looks perfect as well. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation. Also, backup camera. Let's take a look at the center console and make sure that there's no wear and tear at all here. Everything looks perfect. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Okay, this steering wheel is in excellent condition. I'm not seeing any wear and tear with the buttons at all. Perfect. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.